What's up, guys? We are in Rolling Hills today. This is a community that's about maybe 10 or 15 minutes north of Cabo San Lucas, and you've got some really cheap lots here compared to the rest of Cabo. Right down there you can see Rancho San Lucas, so it's kind of like the neighbor of Rancho San Lucas. And right now we're gonna see a house that's under construction. And right now I'm with a client, and he bought a house here, or sorry, a lot here, and we are vetting construction crews. So this video is really twofold. It's going to show you the community of Rolling Hills, and it's going to show you the work of one construction crew. And I will keep my audience updated as to which construction crew we use, and really that's going to be who I use going forward. So let's get into the house and show you. But I really like this community. One of the great things about this Pacific side too is this community has really large lots, but one of the better things about this side on the Pacific is that it's calm, it's peaceful, but really, I mean, right now it feels like the AC is on out here, whereas in Cabo San Lucas it's probably about 5 degrees warmer. So you're always having like that natural cool air come off the Pacific Ocean right here, and that's just something that's the same with Todos Santos, same in Cavita, same at Rancho San Lucas. You have that Pacific side. But this is Casa Cardone. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna take a look. But look at these views of the Pacific, and these lots are big. That's why it's called Rolling Hills. Let's get into the house. So walking up the stairs here, and pretty nice setup. I believe this is a 3-bedroom, and these houses are going for about $800 right now. This one's really cool. It's called Casa Cardone, and it's because you have the giant Cardone cactus. But this pool is really cool. I'm enjoying a little overcast day, and my guys are on the inside. We'll take a look at that. But in the meantime, let's go up top and see what we got up here, just to kind of show you the view. An interesting thing about this community though too is that it doesn't have municipal water, so you get water trucked in. Okay, now in the future, might that change? It could, but you don't have water access. So these houses are, the water's trucked in, and this particular architect, what they do is they have like a little alarm system. Whenever it gets low, it notifies you, and then you call the trucks, they come in. But as you can see, man, cool shaded area up top, and just really peaceful out here. And these lots, man, you got lots out here that are starting at like $40,000. Whereas some of the lots I've looked in that have ocean views in Cabo San Lucas, a lot higher. If you want to guarantee an ocean view in the town of Cabo, you might be looking at closer to maybe 400 at minimum to maybe 300 at minimum. If you really want a nice one, $500,000, $600,000. So anyway, let's go walk around the house. So we're here in the kitchen, and you've got the open floor plan. You've got the nice view out to the cactus, and this is your kitchen area. Okay, nice open, cool amenities, walk through. And this is one, you got a bathroom right here. You got another bathroom right here. Another bedroom right here, ocean view. You've got another bedroom. This one's really nice because you've got the pool view right there with the ocean view. These two are sharing this bathroom. And man, that's actually really cool with the shower having that window right there. So that's 2 bedrooms so far. Let's go see the master with the sliding doors here. So going from the kitchen to the master, and look, you've got really cool, things that this particular architect built in. Here's your master. A nice little like cool headboard made out of like marble. And you've got these sliding doors, man. So you've got this cool stuff, little walk-in closet, you know, and the bathroom is not done yet, but you've got the shower and a toilet area. So very spacious. This is great views and, you know, cheaper lots. The guy who I'm doing this tour with right now is basically saying these houses that are like 800,000, you're starting to see a lot of this area get more and more popular as people are going more and more north. You know, a lot of people are going up the East Cape on the San Jose side, and from Cabo, people are going up to Todos Santos, and you can see that with Cabira, then Rancho San Lucas, and there you have rolling hills right here. So what he's saying is that he believes next year a lot of these houses will be closer to the $1 million range. So it makes a lot of sense to buy a lot here and build. Once again, you gotta weigh the downsides. When will the municipal water come here? You know, we're not exactly sure. So you're getting water trucked in, but you know, they don't really think that's an issue right here. Some people might think that is an issue, but rolling hills is a really good option if you're looking for ocean view and you want to buy and build. And as well, I think there's about 3 houses for sale here. I know somebody who's selling a commercial lot as well, and I think right there you could probably buy, maybe build 6 condos. We were just talking about what you would do right there, so there's a whole lot of things that you could do buying lots out here. But that's rolling hills. Keep you guys posted, and I'm gonna walk through a couple more with construction crew. If you guys are looking to buy and build and you're looking for a construction crew, we are in the process of vetting out various, and I can help you out there as well. Until next time, you guys have a good one. Peace. One last thing I want to show too is, you know, parking. You got a nice little, I mean, you could probably do 4 cars right there, and you just got space out here. These lots are big, so I don't want to interrupt these guys at work, but you've got a pretty cool area when you walk in right here. Permiso. And this is a cool little courtyard area that you could use for your house too. So, and once again, it's just well designed. You get a nice breeze out here, and they're really maximizing that breeze with the design here. So it's, again, architect, construction crew, rolling hills, reach out to me. You guys have a good one.